Good morning, all of you. Welcome back again in Shri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, from yesterday we are completing workbook. Yesterday I taught you directly in the classroom, but today I have made here some change, and today you can see on the screen question answers directly. Okay, so yesterday 1 to question number 5 we have completed. Now we are going to see question number 6. So open your workbook. Your workbook's page number 12. At the last you can see question number 6. On page number 12 only one question is there. So we will start now without wasting time. See here, question number 6. Write the answers in one sentence. First question is there. What discrimination did Sri Chakradhar Swami not believe? Answer is Chakradhar Swami did not believe in any discrimination based on gender or caste. While teaching, I have told you that he did not believe discrimination means distinguish or difference made by gender or caste. He was treating all people equal. Gents, ladies, and of any caste people he was treating equal. Then what desire did Sant Namdev instill among the people? What is second question? What desire did Sant Namdev instill among the people? Sant Namdev instilled the desire to protect their religion among the people. Okay, to protect their religion. Then page number 13. Third question is, what advice was rendered by Sant Eknath? What advice was rendered by Sant Eknath? So what is the answer? Sant Eknath rendered advice to the people not to accept any distinction of high and low. What he told to people? Not to accept any distinction of high and low. Then next question. What message was propagated by Samartha Ramdas? Answer is Samartha Ramdas propagated that the power resides in a united people. What he told, the power resides in a united people, and for that purpose in all villages he established one temple of Hanuman. Okay, now next question. Name two women sons. Name two women sons. Yes, spelling mistake is there. Yes, Saints instead of I, L is there. Okay, sorry, capital I is there. So what is the answer? Santa Janabai. Here also spelling mistake is there. I is there. Santa Janabai and Santa Kanopatra were among the women saints in Maharashtra. They told only two, so we have to give here only two. Santa Janabai and Santa Kanopatra were the women saints in Maharashtra. Okay, like this we have completed answer in one sentence. Now we will see question number 7 on the same page, workbook's page number 13. See, it is given, write the answer in 2 to 3 sentences each. First one, what was the teaching of Sant Jnaneshwar? In 2-3 sentences we have to write, means little big answer we have to write. Don't take tension about this. Just we have to write more information about it. Okay. So what is asked, what was the teaching of Sant Jnaneshwar? So what was the teaching of Sant Jnaneshwar? See, Sant Jnaneshwar taught people have faith in God. What he taught first? Have faith in God. Second one, give equal treatment to all and help those in trouble and allay their misery, means solve their problems. Okay, like these 3 points Santa Jnaneshwar told to people. Then what were the teaching of Santa Namdev? What were the teaching of Santa Namdev? So what is the answer? Santa Namdev taught people, just a second, Santa Namdev taught people deep devotion to God, desire to protect their religion, desire to protect their own religion, and equality among the people. These things Sant Namdev taught to people. Okay, like this. Then on the same page, give reasons are there. Question number 8. Jnaneshwar wrote the Jnaneshwari in Marathi. What is the first? Jnaneshwar wrote the Jnaneshwari in Marathi. Now who can tell me why he wrote in Marathi? Because at that time these all holy books were in Sanskrit language, and common people or poor people, they were unable to read this Sanskrit language and they were not understanding it. So all people should understand all the ways of life, knowledge, they should get all knowledge. So for that purpose Sant Jnaneshwar wrote Jnaneshwari in Marathi. Okay, so see, that only we will see in the books language. See, Jnaneshwar wrote the Jnaneshwari in Marathi because all the religious books till then were in Sanskrit. The ordinary people did not understand Sanskrit and use Marathi in day-to-day life. People were using Marathi in their day-to-day life. So, okay, then okay, now see here. Second question. Samartha Ramdas built Hanuman temples at numerous places. Samartha Ramdas built Hanuman temples at numerous places. Just before I told you in answer in one sentence that Samartha Ramdas built Hanuman temples in all the places, in all the villages. See, Samartha Ramdas built temples at numerous places because he wanted to popularize the worship of Hanuman. What he wanted? He wanted to popularize the worship of Hanuman, the god of strength. He is god of strength. Okay? He wanted the people to be strong and brave. What he wanted to people to be strong and brave. Okay? Then third one, he wanted people to fight against injustice. What he wanted? He wanted people to fight against injustice. Okay? So for that purpose he built Hanuman temples at numerous places. Then third question, Sant Jnaneshwar forgot his personal sorrow. Sant Jnaneshwar forgot his personal sorrow. So what is the answer? See, when Jnaneshwar had locked himself in a hut, Muktabai asked him to open the door. She told him not to be drowned in the sorrow and work for the welfare of the world. Thereupon, Sant Jnaneshwar forgot his personal sorrow. Okay, what Muktabai told? See, what she told? She told him not to be drowned in sorrow and work for the welfare of the world. And thereupon, Sant Jnaneshwar forgot his personal sorrow. Understood? This question was on page number 14. Okay, now fourth question. See, Sant Eknath practiced what he preached. Sant Eknath practiced what he preached. Sant Eknath preached Bhakti Marga. He preached to the people not to discriminate. What he preached to people? Not to discriminate. He exhorted the people to love all living beings and get personal example by picking up the child in hot sand and reach him home. Thus, Sant Eknath practiced what he preached. While learning, I have shown you, means when he was learning, that time I have shown you one picture of Sant Eknath, and one small boy was there, one temple was there. Okay, that incident it is told here. So like this. Now question number 9. Question number 9 and 10 tomorrow we will complete it because it will be overloaded for you. So today just you have to complete question number 6, 7, 8. These 3 questions you have to complete. Okay, so tomorrow remaining question answers we will see. So what you have to do while watching this video, after a question you have to pause the video, that question the answer you have to copy in your workbook, and then again you'll play the video and you can see next one. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet with the same chapter with new question answers. So thank you very much.